This video will demonstrate how to correctly install Napoleon's porcelain reflective panels. Before we begin, it's important to note that if decorative panels have been selected, they must be installed before the media. To begin installation of the PRPs, you must first remove the safety barrier, top trim, and bottom trim from the appliance. This will give you access to the latches for the glass door. Carefully remove all 4 latches securing the glass door, to gain access to the firebox. The inside of the firebox will have 3 securing brackets located on the sides and rear walls. These brackets must be removed to install the PRPs. Next, identify the top and bottom of the panels by locating the screw holes. For the rear panel, the top holes are closer to the edge of the panel than the bottom. For the left and right panels, the tabs are located on the bottom, and will face inward. The dimples to secure the panels are located in each corner where the panel will be placed. The rear panel must be installed first. Ensure that the tabs along each side are facing inward, and the panel sits flush against the back of the firebox. Secure the panel to the rear of the firebox using 4 self-tapping screws through the panel holes, and into the dimples. Note the upper and lower sections of the media tray. This shape matches the bottom of the left and right PRPs. Place the side panels over the tabs on the rear panel, ensuring the bottom tabs face into the firebox. Secure the panel to the firebox using 4 self-tapping screws. Once all 3 panels have been installed, carefully reinstall the securing brackets above the top edges of the panels. If you notice fingerprints on the PRPs during installation, use a pneumonia-free glass cleaner and a clean microfiber cloth to remove them. Now that the PRP installation is complete, the media can then be installed. To view media installation videos, visit the Wolf Steel Technical YouTube page. Once the panels and media are installed, the glass door and latches must be reinstalled. The bottom trim is placed over the bottom latches, covering the control area, and the top trim fits into holes located on the top of the glass door, next to the latches. The safety barrier can then be installed to finalize the PRP installation. See the video description for manuals, leaflets, and part numbers related to this installation. Click here to view the Wolf Steel Technical YouTube page. Like and subscribe to our channel to get notifications for new product and troubleshooting videos.